Russia's aerospace sector is entering into a critical new phase with the plan to develop the PD-8V turboshaft engine. This project is indicative of both strategic necessity and technological ambition. The program, which is linked to a larger effort to boost local production and reduce reliance on foreign technology in important aviation systems, was announced by Oleg Vydomlev, General Director of UEC Kuznetsov in Samara, on March 23, 2026. The company was awarded the prestigious Order of Alexander Nevsky, along with the unveiling, which underscored the political and industrial significance of the ongoing work. However, the PD-8V signifies a major shift in the manner in which Russia operates its most iconic heavy-lift helicopter, the Mi-26, in addition to its symbolic significance. To understand the deeper significance of this development, the strategic context becomes essential in explaining why the PD-8V is so important. The necessity for a new helicopter power plant did not happen suddenly. The Mi-26, the world's largest serially produced transport helicopter, has been dependent on the D-136 engine for decades. This engine is a Soviet-era design that was manufactured in Zaporizhzhia. Production continued under Ukraine's Motor Sich following the dissolution of the Soviet Union. However, geopolitical circumstances permanently altered this equation. By 2022, Russia's access to a critical component of its heavy-lift aviation fleet had effectively ended, as the production of the D-136 had stopped. As a result, a pressing need arose to build a fully domestic engine that could match or exceed the performance of the D-136. The PD-8V is the solution to that problem. Building on that necessity, the development approach itself reveals how Russia is leveraging an existing technological base rather than starting from scratch. The gas generator of the PD-8 turbofan engine, which was originally designed for the import-substituted superjet program, is the core of the PD-8V. This design strategy reflects a broader trend in modern engine development, cross-platform integration, and modularity. The PD-8 has undergone extensive testing and is expected to receive certification in the spring of 2026, which will facilitate serial production. Once certified, its fundamental technologies can be adapted for multiple applications, with the PD-8V being the most notable. This method minimizes technical risk, reduces development time, and ensures that the new helicopter engine builds upon pre-validated systems. Instead of being built from the ground up, the PD-8V is an evolution that builds on an increasingly sophisticated technological foundation. As altitude addicts would appreciate when examining aviation evolution, the next logical step is to look at the aircraft that defines the purpose of this engine. The Mi-26 occupies a unique position in the global aviation industry. Despite being designed during the Soviet era, it remains unrivaled in payload capacity, capable of carrying up to 20 tons of cargo. Its operational adaptability, spanning military logistics and disaster relief, makes it indispensable. Nevertheless, its continued relevance depends heavily on the availability of reliable engines. The PD-8V is being specifically tailored to match the Mi-26's transmission systems, rotor dynamics, and operational requirements. Unlike earlier proposals, such as the PD-12V, which faced delays and shifting priorities, the PD-8V benefits from a clearer development pathway and stronger institutional backing. With that foundation established, attention naturally turns to performance improvements, where the PD-8V aims to significantly raise the bar. One of the most notable aspects of the program is its performance ambition. Developers expect that the new engine will deliver approximately 15% more power than the D-136, along with improved fuel efficiency. This combination is critical for heavy lift operations. Increased power enables higher payloads or better performance in hot and high environments, while improved fuel efficiency extends operational range and reduces costs. Equally important is the integration of a digital automatic control system. This marks a shift away from older analog systems, allowing more precise engine management improved reliability, and simplified maintenance. Pause. In practical terms, the Mi-26 equipped with PD-8V engines could become more powerful, more efficient, and easier to operate. Looking beyond performance, the role of digital engineering and import substitution becomes central to understanding the broader transformation underway. Another defining feature of the PD-8V program is its reliance on domestic digital design tools. The engine is being developed using Russian CAD systems, reflecting a wider push to eliminate dependence on foreign software and engineering platforms. This transition goes far beyond symbolism. Modern engine development depends heavily on digital twins, simulation environments, and lifecycle management systems. By localizing these capabilities, Russia aims to secure long-term independence in aerospace engineering. As highlighted through the lens of Altitude-Adix, this shift represents not just an engineering change, but a transformation of the entire aviation ecosystem, including software, hardware, and industrial processes. Tracing the journey of this program further reveals that the path to the PD-8V has been long and shaped by shifting priorities. The idea of replacing the D-136 dates back to the early 2010s, when the PD-12V was initially proposed as a successor. However, progress remained slow due to competing priorities, particularly the development of other civil aviation engines. It was only after 2022 that the urgency of import substitution accelerated decision-making. The PD-8 program was prioritized, and as it matured, attention shifted toward adapting its technologies for helicopter use. By the autumn of 2025, work on the PD-8V had officially begun in Samara. The current timeline suggests completion around 2031, implying a development cycle of roughly 5 to 6 years. From development history, the focus now shifts to how this complex program is organized and executed across the industry. The PD-8V is not the product of a single enterprise, but rather a coordinated effort across Russia's United Engine Corporation, or UEC. UEC Kuznetsov serves as the lead developer, while multiple enterprises contribute expertise in materials, combustion systems, and digital control technologies. This collaborative model reflects global best practices in aerospace engineering, where complex systems are rarely developed in isolation. It also highlights the scale of the challenge. Developing a high-performance turboshaft engine capable of powering the world's largest helicopter is an immense undertaking. As Altitude-Adix often note when analyzing major aerospace programs, such ambition inevitably comes with significant challenges. The PD-8V program faces multiple technical and operational risks. Adapting a turbofan-derived gas generator for turboshaft use is inherently complex, as helicopter engines require different performance characteristics, including torque delivery, responsiveness, and durability. Achieving the projected 15% increase in power will demand advances in materials, cooling systems, and turbine design. Certification and testing will also be critical, as helicopter engines must meet stringent safety and reliability standards under extreme conditions. Finally, integrating the new engine with the Mi-26 platform will require extensive modifications and testing, particularly in gearbox compatibility and vibration dynamics. Expanding the view further, the broader implications of the PD-8V highlight its role beyond a single aircraft or program. The PD-8V is not just an engine, it represents a wider transformation in Russian aviation strategy. In an era defined by geopolitical tensions and sanctions, the ability to develop and produce critical technologies domestically has become essential. If successful, the PD-8V could serve as a foundation for future helicopter programs, potentially extending beyond the Mi-26 to new heavy-lift platforms. It may also enable further derivatives based on the PD-8 core. Additionally, the lessons learned, particularly in digital engineering and modular design, could influence the next generation of both civil and military engines. Looking ahead, the timeline provides a clearer picture of what to expect in the coming years. The current roadmap indicates that the PD-8V will be completed by 2031, with the Mi-26 receiving its new engines within the next 5 years. This timeline reflects both the urgency of the program and the complexity of the task. If achieved, it will mark the end of reliance on Soviet-era and foreign-produced engines for Russia's heaviest helicopter. More importantly, it will demonstrate the viability of a development model built on modular design, digital engineering, and domestic industrial capability. Bringing everything together, the conclusion underscores why this development represents a turning point. The PD-8V engine marks a significant moment in the evolution of Russian aviation. It addresses a critical vulnerability while embracing modern engineering practices and setting the stage for future innovation. For the Mi-26, it promises renewed relevance and enhanced performance. For the aviation industry, it signals a move toward greater independence and technological maturity. And for the global aerospace landscape, it serves as a reminder that even legacy platforms can be transformed through new technologies, when supported by clear strategy, resources, and sustained commitment. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and like. Also, please take the membership of the channel to encourage us.